So if you own a 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban or Tahoe or GMC Yukon, Denali, Yukon XL with the barn door, and you have a problem like this, you can replace this with this other door handle made in Taiwan. This one was under 20 bucks online from carparts.com, I believe. So let's work on replacing this guy. Hi everyone, we are working on Project Suburban today, and this is a special video about replacing the barn door handle for the Suburban because it was broken and it was really hard to access it unless you have a screwdriver or a key that you use to pull up on the little knob that's left over. So let's go ahead and get that replaced. So we start by removing the old door handle. We need to open up the door here and remove the upper trim piece and then get to the lower part. So we're going to remove this outer trim piece first. Let's see if we can gain access to it. And these clips just pull right off. Now remove the lower trim, which is pretty easy. You just lift that up and that comes out. Next thing we do is peel back on some of this factory plastic to get to the back of the handle. And then we need to remove the latch assembly here. We're going to use 240 Torx drive. Ooga-dooga. So you need to remove the latch mechanism here, mainly to get to one of the three screws. You've got one here and one back there. And in order to get to that is the latch mechanism is in, it is blocking your access to that third one. So now you can actually get in there and remove that one. And then the third one is right here on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3. So all three of these are 10 millimeters. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. And last but not least, this guy right here. Alright, so now these are removed. I need to loosen this cable here. That is actually the door opening mechanism. And the way we do that is press in, grab some pliers, and pull that in. Now we just need to remove the cable attachment. Just like that. Don't lose this piece. So another thing to do is to unhook this cable here. Unhook this cable here off of that orange plastic retainer. Go ahead and unhook this cable here. Now the door handle is ready to come out. to undo this clip, and that will remove the lock. Remove the retaining clip. Once the retaining clip is removed, we can now remove the lock. Just like that. So reassembly is reversed to the disassembly. We're going to go ahead and remove the C-clamp here, install the lock. Now we're just going to insert the cable here, here, and fix the 3 10mm bolts. So far everything lines up. So before we put the trim all together, let's give it a test run, see how that works. Yep, it's working. And the clips in the back of that are pretty straightforward, so you're just gonna pop them straight in, and then the ones on the bottom look like this. Straight in. That's it. Now I can't open it. That's really not great. Works great. And thank you for joining me on this project of replacing the rear door handle on a Chevy Suburban. This works for all GMT-800 models that have barn doors, so includes Tahoes, Suburbans, Yukons, Yukon XLs, Denali's, even Cadillacs of that era, 2000 through 2006. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.